perfectly flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe.
Namaste and welcome to a new video. This morning I woke up early, fueled by the thought of creating something special for my family. Isn't it funny how a simple cup of coffee can set a tone for a productive day? I paired it up with a little bit of savory granola for the extra energy that I need. Today I'm sharing my favorite healthy breakfast and lunch ideas to simplify life while keeping it flavorful and nutritious. Let's dive right in. Yesterday I washed and sun-dried the sesame seeds, flax seeds, curry leaves and chana dal to make into a healthy powder today. I love using this winter sunshine that comes in my home during this season. It almost feels like nature's a way gifting us a little bit of energy. Well, this powder that I'm making is absolutely magical. It adds a lot of flavor and nutrition to simple, everyday, so called boring meals. I'll grind sesame seeds and flax seeds and curry leaves directly in the grinder, but I'll just toast the chana dal little bit in a kadhai. Just giving you a heads up, there is a chance that your flax seeds might clump up after washing and drying. Don't panic, it's its natural gel that comes out. It will be all fine once we grind it.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merchant change, but your face remains.
And this magical powder is ready. It's slightly coarse and it looks so beautiful. I am making besan chila egg rolls and jazz it up with this magical mix. I have shared this recipe with you using dosa batter once. It's the similar way. For the besan chila batter, I will just add besan, water, salt, ajwain, kalonji, jeera and this powder. Rest of the powder goes in the fridge for entire week. Since I'm making omelets, so I'll add the ginger and garlic in my omelet instead of chila. But if you're just making chila, feel free to add it in your chila batter.
Through the arbor, in the garden room, wings are beating, baby, me and you alone. Pencil drawing phases of the moon, all through the stages.
I am making lunch for my family, but these recipe can be easily moved to the dinner as well. I'm making a comforting onion tomato bhuna masala for a soulful dal and a lahsuni aloo gobi. And to go along with it, I'll make oats missi roti. It might sound fancy, but actually, most of us eat similar kind of food almost every day. These small little additions just makes the flavor go up along with the nutritional value. Oats missi roti is a little different. First, I'll boil 2 cups of water, and you have to bring the water to a roaring boil, and this is the time you can add salt to this. My gobi gets a special triple wash with warm soda water, then vinegar water, and then cold water to remove all the preservatives. Clean ingredients means healthier meals for everyone. Don't you think so? For the lahsuni aloo gobi, I'll saute gobi and aloo in mustard oil, adding methi seeds and bay leaves as my tadka. I'll cook this with salt and turmeric powder until it's almost 90% done. While the water has boiled, I'll add oats flour, half a cup, and half a cup of besan. I'll add ajwain, kalonji, jeera powder, coriander stems, our magical powder, and a little bit of, say, almost a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Our gobi is almost done. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of garlic and green chili paste. The dal is also done. I'll add the bhuna masala to this and give it a good boil. Oats missi roti is my secret to adding fiber and flavor to my meals. Dough comes easily together, soft, pliable, and perfect for a tawa. Rolling these rotis reminds me how skillfully my mom would make all those different types of roti which were not made out of whole wheat. Like makke ki roti, chawal ki roti, kuttu ki roti. They are all so delicious, and especially she has some magical trick to each of them. It tastes so delicious. One can also add a little bit of ghee, but we will skip the ghee for today. If you've enjoyed this video, then you would definitely love my pav bhaji fondue recipe. If you haven't watched it yet, I will leave a link in the description box for you. I hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring for your home and kitchen. Do try this magical powder. It's my little hack to keep the meals healthy and yet flavorful. Let me know your favorite idea from today's video. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.
Coffee in a paper cup. The engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into